100 years of trust. It's a testimony to endless challenge. It brings Sakai's unique solution, which is a combination of experience and the innovation of the century. Hi, I'm Mike Fuller, Product Marketing Manager with Sakai America. Today we're going to be showing you the SV544. It's the successor of the previous model, the SV540. So come on and take a look. We launched the SV544 series back in October 2017. The machine's highly versatile and can quickly and easily be changed from any drum or tire configuration for the job at hand. Now we're going to take a look at the specifications on the SV544 series. Comes in with an 84-inch drum. The front and main frame come in at a total thickness of 1 inch, which greatly helps with torsional strength and adds to durability as well as reliability. The machine's going to weigh in at 24 to 32,000 pounds depending on configuration. Has a ground clearance of 15 to 19 inches and a curb clearance of 19 to 23.5 inches. When you add in Sakai's patent isolation vibration system, as well as their floating deck, it greatly reduces fatigue for the operator throughout the day. All Sakai rollers are built with industry-leading products, such as hydraulic components being Danfoss on the vibratory as well as the dry motors, Dana axles, also all for Parker 4-braided hoses. Coming on back to our articulation joint, you're going to notice that we have upper and lower tapered roller bearings. This extends grease intervals up to 250 hours. We have 9 degrees of oscillation via this heavy-duty slewing ring and plus minus 37 degrees articulation, which greatly increases maneuverability as well as reliability. This machine comes with ROPS, as you can see here, but it will also be offered with a cab with heat and AC. Coming on back to the engine compartment, the SV544 is equipped with a Cummins QSF 3.8 Tier 4 final turbocharged engine, which produces 130 net horsepower. The machine is also equipped with passive regeneration, so there's no downtime. Also, we have Eco Mode on the 544 series, which saves up to 20% fuel savings and gives you the same vibe shaft speed as full throttle. On the fly, you can switch between 2 frequency settings as well as 2 amplitude settings, providing you a frequency of 1,700 to 2,000 vibrations per minute, and an amplitude range of 0.85 millimeters to just a little over 2 millimeters. The SV544 series offers excellent drum-to-edge visibility, as well as a superior speed range up to 6.3 miles per hour. It's equipped with Sakai's new manual traction control system, which provides equal traction in both forward and reverse on steep slopes regardless of terrain. Coming on back to our seat, we have a mechanical suspension seat. You have a lever here to adjust between light, medium, and heavy based on the operator's weight for suspension needs. Reclining knob for your backrest. 3-inch retractable seat belt. You have both left and right foldable armrests. It's equipped with a cup holder over here on the side, on the right side. That's convenient for the operator. The SV544 series offers a Brody knob for ease of steering, a steel lockable dash cover that folds down and locks to protect your controls from the weather as well as vandalism. You also have continuous vibration here, or you can go on demand and activate your vibration via the forward, neutral, reverse lever. You can switch between 3 speed ranges on the fly, and you have a ignition slide cover that protects the ignition from weather. As you can see, the SV544 series cab is laid out for ease of operation. Sakai puts your safety as their #1 priority. So let's take a look at some of the safety features this machine has to offer. First of all, you're going to have wide anti-skid steps, large grab rails on both left and right sides to maintain 3 points of contact. You're going to have your grip tape up on your operator deck to keep your feet planted, as well as access only one side of the machine for getting on and off the machine to avoid bumping any controls when doing so. ISO certified ROPS, so come on with me now and we'll take a look at some of the safety features inside the cab. The SV544 series offers excellent visibility with a limited blind spot of 3 feet to the front as well as 3 feet to the rear. This allows the operator to ensure safety before putting the machine in motion. Now that we're up in the cab of the SV544 series, we're going to show you 3 means of braking. Number 1 is the F&R lever here on your right side. This is what we call dynamic braking, and it can be achieved through the driveline. Number 2 is the operational foot pedal brake, which is Sakai's patent, here on the right-hand side of the operator station. Once this pedal's pressed, the transmission disengages or neutralizes and will stop the machine in the event of an emergency. Finally, we have our push-button park brake. Please keep in mind that the F and R lever must be in the neutral position and the park brakes must be set in order to start the engine. After taking a look at these safety features, you can see that Sakai puts your safety as their #1 priority. Now we're going to take a look at what gives the SV544 the ease of serviceability that it has. Starting with our easy to access depth tank, easy to fill with a lockable cap. We have grease banks here for the steering cylinders, which are underneath. Our air inlets are located here for ease of clean out in front of the coolers. Dual stage air cleaners also easy to access, as well as easy access to the fuel injection pump here. Working on back, you'll see that we have remote mounted engine oil filter that's easy to access for your technician, as well as a fuel filter and water separator, and your main fuel filter is just right behind this bracket. Also, our selective catalyst reduction is equipped with a cage around it with lifting eyes, so it's easy to take off in case you need to get anywhere there to touch any serviceability items. Remote drains for your fuel. There's one here and one on the other side of the machine in the same location. You're gonna have 2 batteries, easy to access, one here as well as the right side of the machine on the back corner. Keep in mind that when your hood's shut and locked on the job site, the hood lays across these battery covers so no one can lift the tray and steal your batteries. Now let's take a look at some of the serviceability on the other side. You'll also notice we have a lockable fuel cap with a spill-proof guard as well as a drain spout in case of overfill. Sakai has steel hoods on all their dirt rollers. A lot of competition have plastic, so this helps with durability as well as reliability. There's 2 gas shocks here on the right as well as the left to assist with lifting and closing of the hood. Here's the other battery we spoke about earlier on the other side. You're gonna have hydraulic filters here, you're returning your main filter. Here's the other fuel drain we spoke about on the other side. You're gonna have your remote engine oil drain for ease of changing the engine oil, easy access to your starter, as well as to your alternator and fan belt. Working on around, here's our other inlet we spoke about on the other side for ease of cleaning the cooler's compartment out. You're gonna have your hydraulic oil drain here, and we have a guard around the fill port to protect against vandalism on the job site, as well as an easy to read sight gauge for your hydraulic tank. After looking at these features, guys, I hope you see that the SV544 series keeps serviceability at the forefront. Diagnostic codes for a Cummins engine can be read directly from the dash. We have also added full telematics to the SV544 series, which include remote engine diagnostics. Sakai offers one of the best warranties in the compaction arena today with a 3-year, 3,000-hour powertrain, with the first year being covered bumper to bumper. And this is why Sakai are masters of compaction.